In this PostgreSQL tutorial, we will learn about string egg function, which stands for string aggregation function. To get started, let's consider a simple table of a student with their respective hobbies. So, what is a string egg function? This aggregate function is used to concat field values from a multiple rows into a single string. This function accepts a two-parameter expression and delimiter. Expression is the field or column you wish to aggregate. The delimiter is the character or string you want to place between the aggregated values. Now consider this table students. Suppose you want to create a list of hobbies for each student separated by comma. Then for that, you write a query like this: select name, then the string egg function. Within the function, provide the first parameter, that is expression. So here we are going to provide a column hobby. After that, we need to provide a delimiter, and in delimiter we are going to provide a comma. So type a comma. Then after that, give aliases name to like a hobbies from table students, then group by name. Now select this query, execute this query. Now as you can see in the output, the result shows how string egg concatenated multiple hobbies into a single string for each student. Like James has hobbies like reading and swimming. Now for the James, you can see that the hobbies are separated using comma. You can use a different delimiter, like you can use hyphen. Execute this code. As you can see that the hobbies are separated using a hyphen. You can use the asterisk symbol. Execute this code. Now hobbies are separated using a asterisk symbol. This is how you can use the string egg function to concate a string or a field values from multiple rows into a single string, and you can separate that string using a delimiter. So in PostgreSQL, string egg function has simplified the task of aggregating strings from multiple rows. Whether it is creating lists, reports, or performing data analysis, this function is essential for any developer's toolkit. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.